Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from More International School, Iswar. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 10, that is the moon and eclipses. And today, we are going to discuss about the long question answers of this chapter. So, let's begin the question answers. That is from exercises. Question number C. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So number 1, how do eclipses occur? So as we all know that eclipses are formed or occurred when the earth, the sun and the moon are in a straight line. When these three heavenly bodies come in a straight line because of the revolution motion of the earth and also revolution motion of the moon, revolution motion of the earth and the moon. When these three bodies comes in a straight line, then eclipses will occur. Now let's discuss the question number 2. Describe lunar eclipse. The answer is lunar eclipse when earth comes between the sun and moon. When earth comes between the sun and moon, this lunar eclipse will occur. The shadow of earth cast on the moon, lunar eclipse can be total or partial. So here is the thing that earth comes in between the sun and the moon. So what will happen here? The shadow of the earth cast on the surface of the moon, and moon is not able to get the light from the sun, and we are not able to see the moon. So this condition is called lunar eclipse. It may be total or may be partial. Now comes the question number 3. What is an artificial satellite? Name some artificial satellite launched by man. Now the question, artificial satellite. So man-made objects that are sent into space to orbit Earth. Man-made objects that are sent into space to orbit Earth or any planet. It is called artificial satellite. So Aryabhat, Rohini, Bhaskar, INSET 1, INSET 1A, INSET 1B, INSET 1C, these are the some artificial satellites launched by India. Now comes the question number 4. What are the uses of artificial satellite? The answer is, the uses of artificial satellites are: number 1, for military purpose; number 2, for communication services; number 3, for weather forecasting; and number 4, scientific studies of Earth. So these are the 4 uses of artificial satellite. Number 1, military; number 2, communication; number 3, weather forecasting; number 4, scientific studies of Earth. These are the 4 purposes of artificial satellite. Now comes the question number 5. What is the difference between solar eclipse and lunar eclipse? So we all know, when the moon comes between the earth and the sun, solar eclipse will occur. And when the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, lunar eclipse will occur. So class, these are the discussion of long question answer of chapter 10. Now we are going to discuss about the differentiate between, that is question number D. The surface of the earth. Question number 1 from D is the difference between the surface of the earth and that of the moon. So here is the difference, earth surface and moon surface. Earth surface A, water is present on the Earth surface. On the Moon surface, water is absent. On the Earth surface, atmosphere is present. On the Moon surface, there is no atmosphere. On the surface of the Earth, life is present. On the surface of the Moon, there is no life. On the surface of the Earth, there is no craters. On the surface of the Moon, craters are present. So these are the differences between Earth's surface and the surface of the Moon. Now comes the natural and artificial satellite. So natural satellite, that is objects which are formed naturally and revolved around a planet. Artificial satellites, these are man-made objects and revolve around a planet. Example of natural satellite, Moon. Example of artificial satellite, Rohini, Bhaskar, Aryabhat. Now comes the HOTS, that is higher order thinking skills. Number 1, why do astronauts need a special space suit? So the temperature of the Moon and the space changes very quickly. That is why the astronauts need a special suit. Now question number 2, what would happen if there are no communication satellites? Would you be able to watch TV at your home? The answer is there will be no transmission of television, radio and telephone if there is no communication satellite. So we are not able to enjoy or use these services. So we are also not able to enjoy television, radio or any type of communication system. So class, I hope you are able to understand this discussion well. If any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.